Okay guys, we're going live. Time 7:20 a.m. Eastern. This is for the 6th day of Christmas. It's the list, 68 people on it, members on it this time. Over. Hey, time 7:21 a.m. Eastern. We go 3 times in the clubhouse. Good luck. 1. 7:21 a.m. 2. Third and final random coming up, guys. 7:21 a.m. Eastern. We've gone 2 times. Third and final random. Jack Turner. You win this one. 7:21 a.m. Eastern. We've gone 3 times. Congratulations, Jack. Let me just get your name over here. Oops. That's not what I wanted to do. Hold on a second. I forgot to copy that. There we go. Okay, congratulations, Jack. I think I have your information, but if you can update it through PM, that'd be appreciated. 7:22 a.m. Eastern, guys. We are done. Again, congratulations, Jack.